You're a college student, which means you're very fast-paced. You don't know what's going on day to day. So you need something that can be quick, on the go, ready to go. You have 10 minutes. You wake up before class. What do you make with eggs? We're here to talk a little bit about eggs, since we are Eggs Unlimited. My name's Ian. I used to be an intern at Eggs Unlimited, and I'm a full-time salesman.
I like my eggs scrambled,
pasta sauce,
4 eggs, egg whites, and ham.
Sunny side up or over easy if I'm feeling daring.
Do you know chilaquiles? A Mexican dish. That's my go-to all the time.
I just realized it's a yolk.
We're an egg people. We sell eggs.
I love eggs every morning.